Hey guys, guess what? We're at it again. Doing deliveries to you, all our favorite customers. But today, before we start this delivery, I want to tell you a little bit about our Dollar Day promotion. Now, what that promotion is, any package you ship that comes in an envelope, plastic or paper, to us, delivered to us between April 28th and May 3rd, we ship it for you for $1. $1 US dollar. I'm sure you see where we are. We're in the old capital of Spanish Town. As I'm because you can see the students them coming out, and some of them look curious too. They want to be a part of the promotion, and you know we should let them. But in this moment, let's go do this delivery. All right, just follow me. I'll get done. So guys, guess what? We are on location with one of our favorite customers. Remember I told you? And I have our package them for her. But before I hand her our package, even though she's been waiting for the last 5 minutes.
Well, yeah, basically.
The Dollar Day promotion. Let's get back to that. Now the Dollar Day promotion really benefits our platinum customers. And you're a platinum customer.
Right.
She know about the thing already. She know about the Dollar Day promotion. So I have your packages for you.
Thank you,
and
guys.
before you run off, tell me what you think about our service though.
Alright, so basically for island shippers, they are so convenient. Once I go ahead, make my purchases, do my shipping alert, they alert me that it's arriving, etc. Quick shipping, as I pay for my packages, it's here the next day. Thank you so much for this, guys.
Nice. Who told you about us though?
Alright, so basically it was my sister who started with Island Shippers first. I started shipping with her account.
Right.
And then like I reached
So you
that
just
age.
boss up your thing and just okay.
Once I reach 18, I go ahead, apply, sign up with my thing. So yeah, we have 2 different accounts, still making our purchases on both accounts, and here we are today.
It's a pleasure doing business with you.
Thank you, guys.
Pleasure doing business with you. I'm looking forward to a lot more business. And make sure say you do some of that. You catch us in that Dollar Day promotion so you can get some of the benefit as well. All right?
Thank you, guys.
Pleasure.
Bye-bye.
There we go. Another happy customer. All right? Good.
Bye, guys.
All right, take care.
Thank